Hi, I'm Katie. I'm a travel agent. Welcome to my channel. I'm here at the Marriott Fallsview Hotel and Spa in Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada. So I'm here to take you on a room tour as well as a look at some of the communal spaces in this hotel and to let you know about some of the things that are around it that you can do. So let's take a look at this 2-queen Fallsview room. And the view here is really the thing to write home about. So let's take a look. All right, so we're starting at the front door. So this particular room, and I'll put the room number on the screen, is on the end of the hotel instead of the whole like face of the hotel. So I think the rooms that are like facing directly the falls, you wouldn't necessarily have this long hallway. But option for connecting room, coming down this hallway, we've got a closet, ironing board, iron, hangers, shelf. Here is the restroom. Now, I will say, weird setup for where this toilet is located. You are brushing the door. But that maybe is because this is a corner room too. But that's not a big deal. So restroom, towels, you got one sink, plenty of counter space there. Storage, trash can, extra towels, mirror. It's a nice shower with tub. Shower, there's shower head, and here are your products in the shower. Ooh, it's on the back of the door. It's the, and hair dryer. Just a pretty standard hair dryer here. And for those wondering, plugs in Canada are the same as plugs in the United States. All right, so out. We've got the full length mirror here, which is very nice. Got the bench. I'm trying not to show you the view until last. Okay. We've got cups here, complimentary water, ice bucket, mini fridge. Little mini fridge. 2 drawers. Oh, these are very deep drawers. That's nice for storage. This is a pretty big TV. We got coffee, little coffee guys, some tea, all the fixins, cups, standard Marriott coffee situation. Got this rolling chair here. So whole desk area. That is nice. I will note no safe. I've not seen a safe. Trash can down here. Got the light. You can control the thermostat. All right, and we'll pivot over here. We've got 2 queen beds. We've got 1 nightstand in the middle. We've got a drawer here. Oh, I think somebody left that. Bible and whatnot. Paper, TV remote. We've got this, which has plugs in it, and USB, phone. Then we've got the option to order breakfast in the morning. See? Ooh, an all Canadian breakfast. Sounds exciting. Lots of pillows. Each bed's got 4 pillows. No other plugs. So here's a look at the beds. All right, now the most exciting part. We've got 2 chairs here with a table. Looks like all of these can move. And you have the falls view. Look at that. So you can see over here, Niagara Falls, Ontario. You can see the sky wheel there, some of the casinos, other hotels. And you can see here, that's a pedestrian bridge from this hotel down there to viewing spots for the falls. You can walk to easily. That's the Rainbow Bridge that you can walk to America on if you would like. That's the American Falls. This is Horseshoe Falls. river. And then the land over here is New York State. You even see a rainbow there. So that is the room. All right, so that is the beautiful, beautiful room. Now let's look at some of the communal spaces in this hotel and what you can expect while staying here. When you pull up to the hotel, there is an area to unload your bags, and then you have the option of self-park or valet. The self-park is several blocks of walk away. Do yourself a favor and treat yourself to the valet parking, which is about $20 more a night. After you park, you'll enter into the large windowed lobby. Lots of beautiful natural light in here. There is, of course, a front desk where you can check in. There's also online check-in available. They have a tourist information desk here, as well as a full-service Starbucks. Starbucks was open most of the day, and you had all of the options you'd have at a regular Starbucks. They even had some of these mugs for those of you that collect the Been There series. They had Canada, Niagara Falls, and Toronto. Also on the main level was the bar that also served as a restaurant with some just very basic American fare here, with breakfast, lunch, and dinner options. On the other side of the lobby, you have a gift shop, has all of your typical hotel gift shop stuff. They did have a little bit more upscale clothing here though. And you have the very small business center, which is a computer and a printer. But if you need a printer, that's there for you. You should look at the gift shop and some of the Canada items that they had. Of course, they have some emergency essentials as well. And down this hallway is where you're going to find that pedestrian bridge that we could see from the room that can take you near the falls. And one floor up, you have the Morton's Grill, which is the higher quality dining in the hotel. This is a higher quality and a higher price point. Open for dinner. And they do have Fallsview seating. Reservations are available. That leaves us one more set of communal spaces, and that is the spa and fitness center. So there's a full-service spa. This is located on the ground floor underneath the lobby. There is also a fitness center that had all the stuff you need, weightlifting machines, free weights, bikes, treadmills. There's even an indoor pool. Apologies, I don't have a better shot of it. Every time I went to see it, there were people in it, and I don't like to film people in the pool if possible. Of course, the reason that you come to Niagara Falls is some of the activities and the views, so let's look at some of the things that you can do in Niagara Falls, Ontario. First, let's look at where the hotel is located. It is located very close to Horseshoe Falls. It is basically like right there. You just have to cross over a road and then go down a hill to get to the views of the falls. So there's two ways to do that. One is to take this pedestrian bridge out of the lobby level of the hotel across the road, and then to use the Niagara Falls incline, which costs money to use. It is very efficient, and depending on where you're going, it might be your best bet. And it will take you right to the Table Rock Welcome Center, which is where you'll find Journey Behind the Falls, which is very popular. You will also find restaurants, shopping, and a viewing platform that's free to access, where you will get this view of Horseshoe Falls. The other way to go is to skip the incline, and after you cross over that pedestrian bridge, head to your left, and it will take you on a very nice walking path that will take you to all of the other attractions, and eventually, when you get to the Skyline Tower, you can cut down by foot to the level that the incline will take you to. But if you're going to walk and skip the incline and you're trying to go to Table Rock, that's going to be about a 15 to 20 minute walk. There's lots to see in this area. This is the Skyline Tower where you can view the falls. There is, of course, a cruise where you can go into the water on a ferry boat and get up close and personal with the falls. There are several casinos very close to the Marriott. And then about a 20-minute walk from the Marriott is Clifton Hill, which is your like boardwalk amusement area. It's got a ton of tacky but fun things going on. There's arcades. This is really If you like this sort of touristy stuff, this is the place to go. The Sky Wheel is here. Lots of fun stuff for kids. There are restaurants all over the place, from your Burger King to your fine dining. You've got all sorts of themed things like Hard Rock and Rainforest Cafe and those sort of places too. And there is a very convenient WeGo bus system that will take you to all of these places and some of the stuff to do that's a little bit further out that you would need a vehicle to get to. The Niagara Falls Park does offer a Niagara Falls Adventure Pass or Niagara Falls Pass that combines a lot of the local activities and includes access to that bus system and the incline, all for one discounted price. There is a lot to do around here. You could easily spend 2 to 3 days. Something really fun that happens at Niagara Falls is that they have illuminations at night of the falls in beautiful different colors. They also have fireworks. In the summer, it's typically nightly, but make sure you check the schedule before you visit. And here is a look at the view from ground level, viewing the fireworks and the illuminations. And here is a look at the view from our room. So this is a fireworks view room, and as a travel agent that specializes in Disney vacations, I love a fireworks view room, and this isn't even one that is advertised. You're just paying for the falls view, the fireworks are extra. I really enjoyed our stay at this hotel. I really enjoyed the room. The view is just absolutely amazing. I would stay here again, and I would recommend it to pretty much anyone. I think this hotel works for families. This hotel works for couples. I would, I think, go a little bit more couples than families. Families, you might want to stay a little bit closer to Clifton Hill, and I'd be happy to help you find a hotel over there as well. But this is a fantastic option for anybody. I think that Niagara Falls, Canada in general is a great option for anybody. I think there's something to appreciate for everyone here. If you're interested in a more in-depth look at visiting Niagara Falls, both Ontario and New York, check the link in the description. I have content on all of that, and I have also linked up top my playlists. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for viewing my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you would like to come to this hotel or any hotel, I am a travel agent. I would love to be your travel agent, and I am here to help you book this room and any other hotel room. So if you would love to work with me, my contact information is on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fantastic vacation.